Now we are going to explain trigonometry. So then the exercise 9.1 question number what is the question number 10. We are going to solve the question number 10. The question is that question number 10, that is what, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, each which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the pole are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So to solve this problem, now we see that means the according to the question diagram will be this one. So that is this one, two poles. This is pole 1, this is pole 2, and you see here the elevation angle. This is the first elevation angle, which is that means 60 degree, and second elevation angle is that means 30 degree. Means the pole 1 is that means the elevation angle towards the pole 1 is 60 degree, and elevation angle towards the pole 2 is 30 degree. So now you see, and there is a point on the road that means which is that means at a certain point, but we do not know what is the that means exact location of the point. So that means the width means the width of the road is 80 meter. So we have to find out the height of the two poles, and we also have to find out the location of the point on the road, which is that is which is whose the which is that means what is the location of the point, and what is the distance from left and what is the distance from right. Okay, so let us start the solution. So let us that means in this section, so it is given that means what that means we have considered, let that means what AB equals CD, means AB is the first pole and CD is the second pole, and both the poles are that means equal in height, means height of the two poles. We have considered this one. You see, this is pole 1, and that means this is pole 1 whose name we have considered AB, and this is again another pole which one we considered CD. So which are equal in height. Now you see, since we do not know the exact location of the O, we have considered the BO is X. We have considered just ourselves, we have considered that means BO equal X. Then if BO is X, then DO will be 80 minus X. Why 80 minus X? Because BD total is how much? 80 meter. If BD is 80 meter and BO is X, then surely DO will be 80 minus X meter. Now you see, so we will go the here you see that means what BO equal X meter we have considered, then obviously therefore DO will be 80 minus X. Now in triangle AOB, means you see in triangle AOB, this is a right angle triangle, this is a right angled triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. So in this section you see, so that means what base is given X, we have considered which one, and height of the pole is not given, means that means height is not given, but base also not given, but we have to find out the height and base. That's why we have considered that means what 10 that means in triangle AOB we have considered 10 60 degree. Why 60 degree? Because it is given the elevation angle is how much? 60 degree. Is it clear? Now we see 10 60 degree equal that means what P by B. 10, what is the ratio? The ratio of 10 60 means what value, ratio of the 10 is P by B. Means what is P? P means perpendicular. You see in the diagram that this is the that means this is the pole, and which is that means what pole, and this is the perpendicular, and this is the base. This is the base who that means which is X. Now you see here, means AB is the perpendicular and BO is the base. What is the value of BO given? BO is X we have considered, and AB is the perpendicular. Now put the values. What is the value of 1060 degree? The value of 1060 degree is root over 3. Now let us do the cross multiplication. You see here, if you do the cross multiplication, then below root over 3, nothing means 1 is there. Then 1 into AB, you will get AB. Now x into root over 3 means x, root over 3 means root over 3 dot x. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. This is step 1 is finished. Now we are going to step 2. Step 2 means we are going to the next, that is a right angle triangle. What is the triangle? Our next triangle is CDO. CDO, whose elevation angle is 30 degree. In this case, what is the base? 80 minus DO is the base, and 80 minus x, that means 80 minus x is the base, and we have to find out the, that means what, height of the pole. Now let us go to triangle, that means what, CDO. In this triangle you see, then base angle is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree equal P by B. P means what? Perpendicular. You see in the diagram. Let us the P by B. P is the what is the P? P is, that means the name of the P is CD. And what is the base? Base is DO. Base is DO. That's why you see here. So that means tan 30 degree equal P by B means CD by DO. Now put the values. What is the value of tan 30 degree? The value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root over 3. 1 by root over 3. CD by 80 minus x. Why 80 minus x? This is the, that means the base of the triangle CDO. That means 80 minus x. Now do the cross multiplication. If we do the cross multiplication, then you will see root over 3 into CD means CD into root over 3, 1 into 80 minus x. Then one side will be root over CD into root over 3 and 80 minus x. Now let's go here. So now see here, if you do after cross multiplication, then these 3, you see here, this 3 is multiplied this side, left side, and it will, if we take this 3, that means in the other side, then it will be divided. Now see here, CD, that means CD equal 80 minus x by root over 3. This is equation 2. Now step 1 and step 2 both finished. Now according to the question, in question it is very clearly given that height of the two poles are equal. Means what are the heights in this question? That means in this question, and according to the question, what diagram we drawn here, AB and CD are the, that is a pole, equal poles, mean equal, the pole whose heights are equal. So we can write AB equals CD. Now let us put the value of AB and CD. What is the value of AB? The value of AB is root over 3 dot x, means root over 3 into x. And what is the value of CD? Value of CD is 80 minus x by root over 3. Now if we do the cross multiplication, what we'll get? We'll get, that means here you see root over 3 dot x by nothing. Nothing means what? 1 is there. Then if we do the cross multiplication, 1 into 80 minus x means we will get 80 minus x. And root over 3 dot x into root over 3 means root over 3 when we will multiply double time, then we will get only 3. Okay, then one side will be, left side will be 80 minus x and right side will be, that is only 3x. Now you see here, this minus x, when we will take this minus x from left to right, then it will be plus. Already there 3x is there. When again 1x will join, then it will be 4x. Then 80 equal 4x means what will be the value of x? Then the value of x will be 20 meter. Now putting the value of x, in equation 1. What is the equation 1? Equation 1 is, that means height of the first pole, AB equal root over 3 dot x. And we already know the value of x. What is the value of x? Value of x is 20 meter. Now put the value of x in here. Now we'll get root over 3 into 20 means 20 root over 3 meter. This is the height of the pole 1, means first pole. And we should remember that then this is the AB and CD, both are the equal poles, means AB 20 root over 3 means CD also will be 20 root over 3 meter. Now you see putting the value of x, then in BO, then BO equal x. Why BO equal x? Because we have considered BO equal x. What is the value of x? Value of x we got 20 meter. Then put the value, then BO equal 20 meter. And what is the DO? DO means you see here in the diagram, DO, this is DO. This is DO. That means the point from another side of the pole, means from second pole, the distance of the point on the road, DO, which is 80 minus x. Now you see here, then DO equal 80 minus x. What is the value of x? X is 20 meter. Then 80 minus 20 means will 60 meter. Means the final answer will be height of the two equal poles 20 root over 3 meter, and the point on the road ROAD on the road is 820 meter and 60 meter. Thanks all of you.